Good morning, kids. I hope with the God grace, everyone is staying safe and healthy at your home. Today, we are going to see Unit 2 Land and Ocean in Geography part. In this lesson, we are going to see the continents and ocean and classification of landform and characteristic features of different landforms and ocean, and also you are going to understand about the ocean and its features. Have you seen this image earlier? It's looked like more or less Earth, no? Yeah, this is Pangaea, the supercontinent, and the sea around is Panthalassa. It was 200 million years ago when these land masses moved away from each other to gain the present position as continents and ocean. You know well, it because of the movement of the inner earth. You would have studied in a lower class, the earth is covered by 71% of water and 29% of land. The earth's surface is not even because it has lofty mountain, deep ocean and other landforms. These landforms can be classified as first order, second order, third order. Now we see the first order landforms. Continent and oceans are grouped as first order landforms. Here, the vast landmass on earth is called continent. The huge water body are called oceans. The continents are classified into 7: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Asia is the largest continent, whereas Australia is the smallest continent. And also, according to the Sangam period, the land was classified into 5 categories: Kurunji, mountain and its environment; Mullai, forest and its surrounding; Marudam, agricultural land and its adjoining area; Neithal, sea and its surrounding; Palai, desert region. Apart from the continents, there are 5 oceans located on the earth's surface. They are Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern and Arctic oceans. Next, we are going to see the second order landforms, or categorized as mountains, plateaus and plains. The landforms that rises 600 meter above its surrounding and has steep slope is called a mountain. Mountains are found in isolation or in a group. If the mountain extends for a large area continuously, it is known as mountain range. For example, the Himalayas of Asia and the Rocky Mountain of North America and the Andes of South America are some examples. The Andes Mountain in South America is the longest mountain range in the world. Mountains are the sources of river. The highest point of the mountain is known as its peak. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world, which is located in Nepal. In second order, now we are going to see the plateaus. Plateaus are the elevated portion of the earth that have flat surface bounded by the steep slopes. Tibetan Plateau is the highest plateau in the world. So, it is also known as roof of the world. The flat top part of the plateau is called the tableland. Chota Nagpur Plateau is one of the mineral rich plateaus in India. You know well, the Deccan Plateau is a peninsular India is of volcanic origin. Dharmaburi Plateau, Coimbatore Plateau and Madurai Plateau are found in Tamil Nadu. Next, plains. Plains are flat and relatively low-lying lands. Most plains are formed by rivers and their tributaries and distributaries. These plains are used extensively for agriculture due to the availability of water and fertile soil. Plains have been a cradle of civilization from the earliest time. For example, the Indus in India, the Nile Valley in Egypt, or some of the early civilization which developed and flourished. They are most suitable for human habitation. Hence, they are highly populated region in the world. The plains formed by river Kaveri and Vaigai are important plains found in Tamil Nadu. Let me see now the third order landforms. The third order landforms are formed by the erosional and depositional activities of rivers, glaciers, winds and waves. Erosion is a process of removal of surface material from the earth's crust. The eroded materials are transported and deposited on the low-lying areas. This process is called a deposition. For example, for third order landforms are valleys, beaches and sand dunes. Now let me enjoy and learn the song of ocean.
About 70% of the surface of the earth is ocean water, and it's divided up in 5 parts from biggest to smallest. Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, Arctic. Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, Arctic.
I'm the Pacific, to be specific. I'm a third of the Earth's surface where my turf is, and my Mariana Trench is the very, very deepest in the sea.
And I'm the Atlantic, named after the Greek god Atlas, with the Bermuda Triangle and the Gulf Stream in me.
I'm the Indian Ocean, I'm the warmest around.
And I'm the Southern Ocean, where Antarctica is found.
And I'm the Arctic, the smallest and the shallowest. But that's fine, you see, I've got more ice than you've ever seen. Even polar bears walk on me. We're the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, Arctic. Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, Arctic.
One more time.
Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, Arctic. Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, Arctic.
Here I placed a world map for you. You can buy a world map and mark the continent and oceans and submit it on time. On next session, we will see more about the continent. Till then, signing off your Gadalakshmi ma'am. Thank you.